In this video, I'm going to show you what YouTube TV offers and why it's become a popular choice for live TV streaming. YouTube TV is a subscription-based service designed to replace traditional cable with a flexible, modern alternative. For a starting price of $72.99 per month, it provides access to over 100 live TV channels, including major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, ESPN, CNN, HGTV, and more. The exact channel lineup varies based on your location, but it also includes local broadcast stations and regional sports networks, RSNs. One of the standout features of YouTube TV is its unlimited cloud DVR storage, which lets you record live TV shows and keep them for up to 9 months. This ensures you never miss your favorite programs, even if you can't watch them right away. Additionally, YouTube TV supports up to 3 simultaneous streams on the base plan, so multiple people in your household can watch at the same time. If you need more flexibility, you can add the Unlimited Screens upgrade for $25 a month. YouTube TV also offers an on-demand library for many channels, allowing you to watch full episodes or movies without needing to record them. Sports fans will appreciate features like Multiview, which lets you watch up to 4 games or events at once on compatible devices. You can also enhance your subscription with optional add-ons like Sports Plus, 16-month, for premium sports content like NBA League Pass or MLB.tv, or premium movie channels like Showtime and Stars. Other perks include personalized user profiles for up to 6 members in a household, offline downloads with the Unlimited Screens add-on, and compatibility with a wide range of devices, including smart TVs, Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast, and mobile devices. All of this comes without ads during live TV broadcasts, though some on-demand content may still include commercials. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand what YouTube TV offers, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.